sa oras ng ball win, 6 minutes. Number 20. Pasok jersey number 8. Number 8. Pasok yan. Pasok jersey number
72-61.
72-61. Labing isa po ang alamangan. Dotas. Dotas sumunod ang ikot. Pagka-exhibition, ngunit wala na kuha ni jersey number 8. Number 8 is good with the ball. Pasok jersey number 21. Number 21, naghaharap ng cute. Uy, nakula. Oops, pow! Winning jersey number 6. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bautista, input the ball. Back to the number 2. Back to Bautista. Bautista, uy, nice pilan. Nagpapadali sila sa number 24. Pasok yan! Pati jersey number 24.
Pasok!
Jersey number 6, pass to jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 21 on ball down. 10 seconds shot up. Jersey number 24 to beat the ball. 5 seconds shot up. Steal by jersey number 11. Number 14. Jersey number 14 may up good for 2.
Ano score?
Halloween Civil, jersey number 20, Pagya.
66-74.
Pass jersey number 24. Good for 2. Score for that then 76-66. Jersey number 14, shooting the ball. 15 seconds shot up.
Oh!
Good for.
Good ba yun? 69-76. 7-point lead by LYC.
I was firing 2 minutes and 29 seconds to play. Score for that then 76-69 in favor of LYC. Jersey number 20. Jersey number 20. Pass jersey number 24. 15 seconds shot up. Pass jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. Bagal ka sa 10 seconds shot up. Nakabuhay ng foul. Kami with jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. First personal foul and 13 foul. Jersey number 14, Bautista passing the ball to jersey number 22. Balik sa kanya po labas jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 dribbling the ball. Lumayap yung number 2 out of bounds. LYC ball. Jersey number 22. Pass jersey number 2 again. Jersey number 2 dribbling the ball. Tira. Nugget. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6, sama ko muna pass jersey number 28. Jersey number 28, Mendoza dribbling the ball. 15 seconds shot up. Jersey number 20, Pagya dribbling the ball. Ready pa pass up, jersey number 28. Steal by jersey number 22.